Good evening. The news video will bring you the hottest, the newest, and the latest news today. Barrios accepts KPBA position. Leonard Sunny Barrios made himself available yesterday to an indefinite term as Commissioner of the Philippine Basketball Association. The 59-year-old graduate of Business Studies at Ateneo informed the league board of his decision to accept the post of Commissioner beyond the current Philippine Cup after making adjustments in his schedule. Barrios, the former executive director, thus becomes the league's 7th commissioner, joining the ranks of such illustrious names such as Leo Prieto Jr., lawyer Rodrigo Salud, and the late Mariano Yenko and Jude Bernardino. The others who served before him were Ray Marquez for 2 years until 1994, and Noli Iyala who resigned last August. A board meeting scheduled for Monday will feature Butch Jimenez, a veteran television man, as a resource speaker who will talk about the finer points of the new contract the league will have. The continued participation of the PBA in helping the national team will also be discussed. Barrios, earlier named officer in charge, was promoted when the board failed to break a deadlock between lawyer Chito Salud and businessman Lambert Ramos. Thank you for watching.